Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA video quick tip. Many think that 100% financing is the same as having no out-of-pocket expenses. Just because there is not a down payment involved, there are still other expenses that need to be accounted for. This short video will go into detail and answer the questions that many have about this topic. Customarily, when purchasing a home, a buyer will have two sets of out-of-pocket expenses, one being their down payment and the other being settlement charges. When getting a USDA 100% financing loan, the down payment requirement is eliminated, but additional out-of-pocket expenses may still apply, such as the following. Earnest money deposit. Earnest money is a deposit on the house you want to buy. It helps to show sellers that you are earnest or very serious about buying their home. While USDA loans do not require an earnest money deposit, the amount of any deposit would be decided upon between the buyer and seller and listed on the sales contract. With a USDA loan, it is possible to receive all or a portion of the earnest money deposit back at closing, but this is dependent on what the home appraises for and is not a guarantee. Please remember that underwriting will always need to verify this very important deposit. Appraisal fees and inspections. These are customary out-of-pocket expenses that should be paid by either check or credit card when the option is available. Both of these forms of payment will allow for verification if needed. Closing cost and prepaid items. These can be financed into a USDA loan only when the appraisal is high enough to allow for the increased loan amount. Another option to help reduce this out-of-pocket expense is to negotiate for the seller to pay all or a portion of the buyer's closing cost. Please remember that if any funds are needed at closing from the buyer, the earnest money deposit will be credited towards that amount. Let me ask you a quick question. When you need an electrician, do you call a plumber? If your air conditioning goes out, would you call the landscaper? This goes the same with USDA rural home loans. As an approved USDA lender, we are known for our specific experience and expertise on this unique program from qualification to closing. Just call or email if you need help with a pre-qualification, want to discuss a new scenario, or would just like to take advantage of our free second opinion service, which is great for those existing transactions. As always, I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next Tip of the Week.